Here's our starting point. Not too bad. A lot of good stuff. At some point, the rear frame loop was cut off, probably to run a dual seat, necessitating a very expensive frame repair. The Magneto was never original, and it was impossible to clean the points, so it was taken out in favor of a Moyer. Fortunately, the mag was sparking well, but with that cap, it was impossible to clean and adjust the points. Here you can see some frame damage. There's several holes drilled in various places. In order to incorporate a dual seat, they hacked off the rear frame loop, creating quite an expensive repair. A lot of damage on the exhaust pipe, hammered away, broken inner primary over the chain, busted through outer primary from contact with the foot pegs, typical. Good symmetry. The frame was more or less straight. It did need a lot of expensive repair. Tires and wheels were pretty well toasted. I took many pictures for reference. Here you can see that the pinch bolt on the lower triple clamp is cracked. The steering stem was bent, creating lots of problems. I had to replace the steering stem. I used a mirror to shoot underneath the chassis so I can identify more of the spacer locations. Getting the spacers right is critical on P11s. I did have a good map and schematic to follow as well. And I've done these before, so I knew what I was up against. More spacer shots. The wiring loom was halfway decent, and I was able to effectively repair it and reuse it. The headlight shell had to be replaced. It was not standard. More spacer shots. Disassembling the crankshaft. Cleaning out the sludge trap. I've seen worse. Sandblasted frame where you can see the beautiful bronze welding at the joints. And it was repaired with the new frame loop. That was a
happy birthday, Howard! Your bike's running! First start up today!
Pleasure to work on things when they're clean and look like new. I think we got a terrific paint job. My bad. I used my tire iron bar too heavily and bent the wheel. Here she is running again. And running again. I guess with the narration on, you can't hear the motor running.
Yeah. Right. P11, 115.
Newly made high-level pipes from China. They came out beautiful. So far, they have I had to get the seat cut down to fit properly. The seat